Salesforce Space Station.
Hi, today we're going to create and filter reports. First, what is a Salesforce report? Salesforce report provides consolidated, factual, and an up-to-date information about a particular object or records. And how do we create reports in Salesforce? First, you have to click on the Reports tab and then click New Report. Then it's going to show you the object names. We have here accounts and contacts, opportunities, forecasts, and so on. We're going to report on accounts. Click this and then start report. So we have here the column, last activity, account owner, account name, billing state, and so on. If you need to add more columns, you just have to expand this, show fields, and let's add annual revenue. And to filter the reports, we have to click on the Filters tab. By default, it is filtered by my accounts. So let's change that to all accounts and click Apply. And then the created date, you can select the start and end date or use a range. We have your fiscal year, month, quarter, weeks, but we're going to select all time. All right, and to filter the report, we can filter the report by billing state. And let's say we just need NM, New Mexico, and Colorado. All right, and we're also going to filter by rating, which is we have hot, cold, other, or warm. We're going to select hot, apply, and we're going to also filter by annual revenue. Let's say the annual revenue is equals, not equal, or greater than. Select greater than $1,000. Okay, so we have here New Mexico and Colorado. The rating is hot, and the annual revenue is greater than $1,000. So now we're going to use add filter logic. It's like a formula. So once you filtered the report, it is numbered. Number 1 is the billing state, number 2 is the rating, number 3 is annual revenue. Let's say I need an account with billing state and MRCO and annual revenue that is greater than $1,000, or any account that is the rating is hot. Let's select apply. This one is 2. All right, so we have here medium because the billing state is Colorado and then the annual revenue is greater than $1,000. We have here hot, even if it's Texas. It's not in the filter because it met the criteria. Rating is hot. Now we're going to remove these filters and then let's filter, add cross filter, this one. So this is used to include or exclude related objects. So accounts with or without. Let's say accounts without. Let's look for cases. Let's try one more time. Without cases, this one, and then apply. So these are all the accounts without cases. You can also use other cross filters, accounts without opportunities or accounts without leads or without contacts. Now let's try the last one. Let's remove this. We have here add row limit. This is grayed out. Before we can use this, we have to sort the column here. Let's use annual revenue, sort ascending, and let's add row limit, which is only 10, or let's say just 5. Top 5 or bottom 5. And then apply. And then that's it. Sort ascending or descending. And then you can save the report. Give it a name and select the folder.
Salesforce Space Station.